Hello all, welcome back to our channel, and today once again we are going to cover few more questions from SQL HackerRank question answer series, right? So we'll try to cover few questions in a single video, and then in next videos few more questions. We'll try to wrap up SQL basic questions first, and then we'll move towards SQL intermediate questions and then advanced questions, and be rest assured I'll be explaining each and everything in very detail, whether it's be easy or intermediate or it's be advanced, right? So let's move toward our next question, right? Okay. So what is this question saying? Japanese cities attribute, right? Query all the attributes of Japanese cities from city table. So detail to be noted. All the attributes means all the field, right? And then Japanese cities from city table. So city table and then detail has been given as the country code for Japan is JPN, right? So as we have always covered our SQL question answer in MySQL, so let's go to that. Yeah, and then select all the attributes means what? Select star, right? From city table means from city, correct? And for Japan, right? So country code equals to JPN. Let's run and see whether it is correct or not, right? So it is past used case, right? That means we have got the output, correct? So it is very simple, no need to explain in detail. Let's go to next question. Okay, so next one is query names of all the Japanese cities from city table. Again, same thing. What is happening here? Select. There we were selecting all the attributes. Here we are selecting just name from city table where country code equals to Japan. Correct? Let's see. Yep, we got the output. No need to waste time. Let's move to next question, right? So now we have come to this attribute related questions are over. Now we have come to weather observation related questions, right? Let's move to this one. Okay. So query list of city and state from station table. Again, it is very simple, guys. What it is saying is select city and state detail was given. Then from station table, right? And there is no filter to be applied, correct? We don't have any detail on that. So let's run this one. Boom, we have the output, right? So let's move to next question. Weather observation 3. Okay, now this question is query list of city names from station for cities that have IDs, even ID name numbers. Okay. Now next detail is print the result in any order but exclude duplicate from the answer. Okay, so these are all the details which we need to make a note of, right? Whenever you are given a problem statement and a data set, just read the question properly. It will be 50% solved there itself, right? So list of city names from station table. So city names station table say, right? And then even IDs, so this also will apply some logic, right? And then print in any order, right? But duplicate should be removed. So we have to remove duplicate also, correct? So select. Okay, first let me select city from station, right? Where what? ID should be even. So ID divided by 2 or ID mod 2 must be 0, right? Then it is considered even. This is again mathematical concept, guys. So this is something I'm not going to explain. But yeah, if any number is divided by 2 perfectly, then it is considered even, right? That's why we are applying this logic. Now we are done here, correct? City name, station ID, everything. Anything is missing, right? Yeah, one thing is missing, this duplicate part. So how do we remove the duplicate? Correct? So you would have heard of something called distinct. Distinct. That removes duplicate records, right? It will just select distinct city names. Correct? Now if we run this one, we'll be able to get our answer, right? Yeah. So we have got all the non-duplicate city names. Correct? Okay, so with this, I'll stop the recording and see you in next part of this video series where we'll be covering some more questions, right? Thank you so much. Have a good day.